Hi friends, it's Mona with Rock City Tumblers. Someone in one of the ink pen glitter groups on Facebook that I'm in posted a similar storage container box thing, just a picture from Hobby Lobby, and it was blue. So I rarely get out. Hobby Lobby is at least 30 minutes from my house, so I got on Amazon and was able to take the picture and the description that she gave and found the exact same one, but it was in pink and black, which works too. I like blue and pink, so this is it, and I will try to put a link in the comments if you're interested in it. And so it holds everything perfectly, especially if you have a bunch of multicolored pens that you're trying to keep kind of separate, especially the ink and the tips. Maybe in $16.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping, and at Hobby Lobby it was $15.99. Of course, it's got a nice little lid. Oh look, there's some, I didn't even know that had those little openings on the top. Super nifty. So this is a Creative Option, that's the brand name, 2-tray box. That's just what it says. I like the pink. It's got a silver handle. These are like all my colors. One thing that would have made it better is if it was purple, but hey, pink works too. It's a beautiful pink. So when you open the lid, and if you haven't watched, I have several ink pen tutorials. I have just regular ones. The regular one also shows how to do the pencil cheat, so that you're not having to spray paint 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. So if you watch that, you'll see the pencil cheat. And then I have one on how to bling your ink pens. I have a YouTube tutorial, and I'll try to link them up in the corners. And then I don't think I have it in here, I have a bling pencil tutorial as well. So check those out. So this is what makes it so cool is I think the ink fits in here. I should have looked at the photo. Maybe they fit in here. Yeah. And then there are dividers that come with it. So thank the Lord, the girl who showed it first, she had a picture of how she had it all. I should have looked at that picture before I did this live, but I didn't. And if you're wondering, I'm going to repost this over on YouTube. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll let you know. But right now, all of my pens are just kind of in several different rooms, because my computer's in a different room. And then I've been kind of trying to keep them in these clear cups, and they can knock over easy. So this is nice and neat and kind of gives everything its own place. Feels like if I can get organized, I might want to actually make them. So these are the Papermate Ink Joy Gel pens that everyone's been making the past year-ish. Oh, here's my pencil that's out of Rhinestones. Thought I had it in here. It's right under my nose. So here's the ones with just glitter. Super pretty. Alright, so I'm almost done trimming the little dividers. So they have like a little beveled edge on them, so that they maybe lock in. I don't know which way's down, which way's up. I don't know if it matters. That little edge kind of needs to be trimmed off all the way though. It's kind of hindering it. See if that helps any. Yeah. Alright, so So it is top heavy. See if I can get it to set against the wall. And then we're just going to try to figure out where we want everything. So I also have a little drill that I use if I needed to. Also use it on my toppers for my pair glasses. So I was thinking I could store my little drill in here too. Maybe even store some of the topper stuff like the magnets in here. Okay, so there's that. So we kind of got to figure out what we need first. So I believe all these are black. So we can just stick those there. So all of them have the same spring. I don't know if we want to take the springs off. So I could like separate it to like that if I wanted to. Because they're all made the same. Just if you have a colored one, that part and that part's different. Okay, so these are colors, so I don't know. I'll have to figure out which color they are. So the idea is that you can do like blue down here, I think. Like I'll need to shuffle this around. So there's pink, red, orange, yellow, green. So I don't know if there's enough to keep them all straight. I think those are blue. So the way she had it in the photo was like these are blue. You could keep them all separated, so when you took them apart, you knew which was which. So I got some planning out to do, but kind of get the idea. But yeah, they've just been kind of stacked up in these cups and just ready to tip over any second. And just makes you not want to come into your room and work when it's like that. So, and then so that's as far as I'm going to get right now. But then there's a base down here. So when I do like this, I mean, there's still that much depth left in there. So I might be able to just stick this whole thing down here. Oh, look at that, that fits. So this is a little miniature drill. It's a nail drill I got on Amazon. So it's got a little USB power and then a little sanding tip. And so I use that when I'm doing my eyeglass toppers. And then if I had any rough spots on my pencils, I could use that to kind of rough that down a little bit. And then I use these chopsticks. Davey had just the perfect type of chopsticks, and that's what I use to hold my ink pens on my turner. I do want to order some of the chucks from Craft Crate, but these work great. And so those store down there just perfectly too. Maybe not that harmonious with that box, but and if that was just a smidge longer, it would fit. So anyway, I just wanted to show, because I have tons of these pens and I need to do something with them. And I finally figured out the lightsaber. I don't know if you saw that the other day. I put it on my stories. I don't think it'll glow. I think it has to have some UV light to glow. But I made the little decal. This is just a black and white one. The one I'll print it out on printable vinyl with a red button. I'm gonna charge it. And then I got a couple of mirrors from Dollar Tree. If I left the house, I went to Dollar Tree so that I can do some better reflective UV stuff. See if we can get to glow. Look at that. Meow. I'm a huge Baby Yoda fan. I also have some glow-in-the-dark glitter that I got from the glitter guy that I want to try on these too. This was glow powder from countertopepoxy.com, the people that make the FX Premium. I put it, so I spray painted this neon green, and then I put glow powder in the epoxy, and so that's why it's kind of a little bit darker in areas. So I'm still perfecting the formula, but I think if I put a layer of that glow glitter on, it'll be really good. Okay, get my light to come back on. Anyway, so there's a little decal that will go on there, and it'll be a little lightsaber pen. Let's put together so you can get the idea. Alright, so this goes in first. And you put your ink with a spring. So like the neon green ink might be good for this. So that's what the pen would look like once it's kind of finished. A little lightsaber. You can make red ones. I don't have any red glow powder, I don't think. But yeah, it's super fun. Been working on that for like a year. You know, like I could store these extra dividers and like the lid, because there's storage up here. I can get them out if I need them. I could put springs up here if I wanted to. But yeah, super cool. Hey, look at there. Somewhere to put it and forget it. I will never remember that they are in there. But yeah, getting them out of my way so I don't knock them over, I don't make a mess. I think it's a win. I'm so glad that we have these groups that we can share and you know, share the wealth. We will talk to you guys later. Bye.